Oh, seriously? Like Forrest Gump? Ooh! Oh!
Someone needs to wake up.
Someone needs to wake up. Not us. They need like 3 more umbrellas. That's adorable. I can't even.
I assume that's their color.
That's so cute.
That's got to be a first.
I see your finger up by the rest. They really didn't want to do this on a better weather day.
Yeah. Sorry.
No worries.
The team's in the way.
I know. Aw, that daddy offered. Oh no, get on him, get on him, get on him, get him. Oh, just push him out. There's 4, right? Periods? And we're in our first period? Yeah.
3/4.
Yeah, well, it says period on the board.